factor 7x squared plus 32x minus 15 using diamond method or trial and error method. So first of all, what we will do is we're going to use the diamond method. Diamond method, we will have to follow 5 steps in this particular case. Step number 1, you're going to compare your question with ax squared plus bx plus c, and you find your ABC. So in our case, our A is 7, my B is 32, and my C is negative 15. That's step number 1. Step number 2, you multiply A times C. So when you multiply A times C, you get 7 times negative 15, which is negative 105. That's that. Step number 3, you are going to use a diamond method, which is AC goes on top of the window, which is 105, and B goes in the bottom of the window, which is 32. Now we're going to find the factors of 105. So the factors of 105, and those factors are 1 times 105, 3 times 35, 5 times 21, 7 times 15, 15 times 7. And if you notice, if you go furthermore, you will have 21 times 5, 35 times 3, and 105 times 1. So we don't need this. This is where we stop. So we have total 4 pairs of factors. So which pair we're going to use? And when you add them, you get 32. And when you multiply them, you get negative 105. In our case, do you think 3 and 35 is the best choice? Why? Because when I use 35 and 3 up here, 35 will take the positive sign from the B. So 35 will take positive sign and 3 will take negative sign. So when you add them, you get 32. When you multiply, you get negative 105. Now notice one thing. For step number 4 is factor, and step number 5 is writing our answer. So somebody thinks that, you know what, we just did this last example and I was writing x here and x here, and I was keeping my first factor negative 3 goes with the first factor, and 35 positive goes with my second factor, and this is my answer. And the answer will be no. This is incorrect answer. Why? Because x times x gives you x squared, and we need 7x squared. So this is absolutely not correct. And 35 times minus 3 is 105, and we need only negative 15. So this magic is not going to work. So what we have to do is we have to do a method called grouping. So in order for us to do grouping, first we're going to write the question 7x squared plus 32x minus 15. And now at the place of 32x, I'm going to replace that with negative 3x and positive 35x. And now what we will do is we're going to write our question like this. And now we're going to break our question down into 2 parts. That means one group using first 2 terms, second group using second 2 terms. So we're going to break down right here, and we will ask ourselves a question: what is the GCF in these 2 terms? X. Pull x out, and our remaining terms are 7x minus 3. Here, what is my GCF again? My GCF is nothing but 5, and if I write 5, would that be okay? Remember I said no, it has to be positive 5. This positive sign, you must carry it down. So positive 5, and we get here 7x minus 3. Now we have two terms. Both terms has 7x minus 3 as a GCF. So we pull that out as a GCF. And my remaining terms here is x, and here is positive 5. So this goes right here. And now this is my answer to my particular question. And now if you notice it, if you want to check whether this is a correct answer or not, you multiply 7x times x, 7x squared. 7x times 5x is 35x, minus 3x is plus 32x, and minus 15. So this turns out really good. So this is my answer to this particular question using diamond method. Now, trial and error method, please watch my next video where I have done this exact example with trial and error method. Hope this will help you.